not charger. This record this. Record me right now, man. How do I look right now, man?
Like a fucking mechanic.
We pulled the fucking ends and also fucked up my... Oh yeah, I fucking broke the input shafts right in half. That is real nice. Oh boy. Hell yeah. Yeah, that will... Oh boy, that's real nice. But hopefully it's not too difficult to replace an input shaft. Now let's see how much we can lift this thing up.
Yeah, put that on YouTube. See what the comment says on how easy it is to put an input shaft in.
Yeah, it was definitely a good idea to do that, but holy fuck. No, shit. You know what I just realized?
What?
The damn car is sitting on top of the, what's it called now? This car normally sits lower than the engine hoist. So it's literally on top of the engine hoist. It's resting on top of the engine hoist.
What, did you break the suspension?
No, it just, this car is low, so I need to, like, jack it up a little bit. Let's see how far up I can get this. It's gonna fucking fall and it's gonna fucking destroy everything, but...
What?
What?
I'm so confused.
Yeah, me too, man, me too. I really hope this is really good, because... Oh boy, look at that. Oh boy.
Should I keep recording?
Yeah, goddamn. Goddamn. One of these motherfuckers is the reason this car does not run. One of these damn... I do not want to do this right now. I don't want to like mess around with the engine while it's like this. I'm gonna put the car up a little bit and... Oh yeah.
All you really gotta do is get a cardboard, get the van, put the thing in the van, and then put everything else down. I know, but like... Oh man, my input shaft is like broken right in half. That's real nice. How do you know it's in half?
That's... remember that part I grabbed a little while ago that was over here? The little tiny little piece?
Yeah.
This ping light here, that is supposed to go right over there. You see what's like it's broken at? It's supposed to go like that. That's what I broke.
The middle or?
That little metal thing in the middle, yeah. The little metal pole. Yeah, that's what I broke right here.
The whole metal pole, or is that part of the metal pole?
That is part of the metal pole, so... Hopefully it's not too hard to take that input shaft out and replace it. I don't think it should be that hard to replace an input shaft, honestly.
To be honest, it looks like everything is easier now without the engine in.
Probably. Yeah. Alright, Alex the car guy back again. And so we have had some fun. So we got the charger rolled off the damn, what's it call it? It rolled off the trailer and hit my van. And so I completely fucked up the back end of my charger. But at least the van's okay. And I think I'll place this bumper anyways. So I think it's all good. And we're duct taping this thing so this doesn't go open up. It's so fun. Boy, do I love this car so much. The thing is, glad it's my dream car, or else I would not be tiring all this bullshit. I would have sold it the second it locked up.
Dang. How much tape are you using?
I don't want this shit flying up and losing all my fucking parts and shit. Anyways, it's like 2 miles. This will be fine now. That ain't going nowhere. Spun up bearing like a motherfucker. There's probably more too, because this engine still isn't turning over.